This is pretty wild. It's like the top of that cloud is lit up, and then it has like lightning in it or something. Lights up every now and again. Pretty wild. It's a nice clear night other than that cloud in the sky. It keeps lighting up. Oh, it must be heat lightning. I just seen another flash over there of it. Pretty crazy how the top of that cloud's lit up like that though. Because when you back out you can see it's all one big cloud. But just the top part's lit up. And it keeps flashing lights. All lightning. Oh, the bugs are getting a little bad out here. Pretty sweet.